Imagine this. You wake up on payday, check your bank account, and feel rich for just one moment. But by the end of the month, your balance is close to zero again. Does that sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle to make their salary last until the next payday. The shocking truth? It's not always because of how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you already have. In this video, I'll reveal powerful, proven strategies to save money from your salary every single month, no matter your income level. And by the end, you'll learn how to transform your paycheck into a wealth-building machine. So stay tuned, because these tips could change your financial future forever. Why is it so difficult to save money from your salary? The answer lies in several common traps. Lifestyle inflation makes people spend more as soon as they get a raise. Better cars, more dining out, endless online shopping. Impulse spending is everywhere thanks to social media ads and flashy promotions. Many people lack a clear plan, no budget, no tracking, just hoping the money will last. And emotional spending, whether stress, boredom, or even happiness, can destroy savings in seconds. But here's the good news. You can beat all of these traps with the right system. The number one rule of saving money is simple but life-changing. Pay yourself first. As soon as your salary hits your account, set aside a portion for savings or investments before paying bills or spending on anything else. For example, if you earn $3,000 per month, immediately move at least 10 to 20%, $300, $600, into a savings or investment account. Automate it so you never forget. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or electricity. This single habit separates savers from spenders. Another powerful method is the 50-30-20 rule. Half of your income goes to needs like rent, food, and utilities. 30% goes to wants like entertainment and shopping. 20% goes to savings and investments. This creates balance. You're not depriving yourself, but you're also building a future. If you want to save faster, adjust to 60-20-20 or even 70-20-10. You can't manage what you don't measure. Track every dollar. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Excel sheet. Track where every dollar goes for at least 30 days. You'll be shocked at how much disappears into small expenses. For example, a $5 coffee every weekday is $100 per month, $1,200 per year. That's money that could be invested instead. Most people waste money without realizing it. Unused subscriptions like streaming services or gym memberships silently eat away at your balance. Bank fees and late payments drain your account. Impulse online shopping encourages endless add-to-cart moments. Review your bank and credit card statements and cancel or cut anything you don't absolutely need. Instead of waiting to see what's left at the end of the month, flip the process. Savings account first, then live on the rest. Salary comes in, savings go out, and you survive on what's left. This method forces discipline and ensures you always save something. But don't just cut expenses, increase your income. You can only cut so much, but your income potential is unlimited. Start a side hustle like freelancing online, tutoring, or selling digital products. Ask for a raise or look for higher-paying opportunities. Invest in skills that increase your long-term earning power. Saving is powerful, but saving combined with more income? That's how people build wealth. If budgeting apps don't work for you, use the envelope system. Divide your budget into envelopes. One for groceries, one for transport, one for entertainment. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. It's old school, but incredibly effective. Build an emergency fund. If you want to save consistently, you must avoid falling into debt when emergencies strike. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account. This safety net reduces stress and keeps you from dipping into your salary savings. Automation is your best friend. Automate savings and investments so you don't rely on willpower. Set up direct deposits into savings or brokerage accounts. Use apps that round up your purchases and invest the spare change. The less you rely on manual effort, the more consistent your savings will be. Saving doesn't mean you never enjoy your money. If you never reward yourself, you'll quit. Budget small rewards like a weekly dinner out or a movie night. Celebrate milestones when you save your first $1,000 or pay off a debt. Balance keeps the habit sustainable. Real-life examples prove this works. Ronald Reed, a janitor in Vermont, quietly saved and invested small amounts from his salary for decades. When he died, he left an $8 million fortune. Proof that salary savings can transform lives. Countless ordinary people have built six-figure savings accounts by sticking to simple rules like paying themselves first and investing consistently. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. If you've watched until now, you already know the truth. Saving money from your salary every month is not impossible. In fact, it's the foundation of financial freedom. Start with small, consistent steps. Automate your savings. Invest in your future. Remember, it's not about the size of your paycheck, it's about the size of your habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss tips that could change your financial future. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Don't wait for the right time is now.